Hello guys, in this video, which is our first video from our Excel full courses, we will talk about the basics of Excel. So let's start. Here we have, we're gonna start with typing text. So here we have two examples. The first one is text and second is number. As you see, always numbers are aligned to the right and the text is aligned to the left. For example, here we have three numbers. The first one is aligned to the right, the same for the second, so they are considered as numbers, but the third one is aligned to the left, so it is considered as a text, and we can't use it for calculation. And here you have an example. So when we did the sum of the first and second number, it gave us correct answer, but when we did sum of the first and the third number, it gives us yes value, which a wrong answer. Here, to select some cells, all you need to do is just drag and drop from the first to the last cells you want to select. And if you wanna select some cells which are not in the same page, you must use Ctrl. So advance Ctrl and start selecting your cells. You can bascule from cells to another using Enter and do all the modifications you need. Okay, here to delete cell content, all you need to do is selecting the cell and just click or type the button delete in the keyboard. You don't have to select the text and delete, you just need to select the whole cell. Okay, to copy text in cells, you can do click right and choose copy, then select the cells where you want to put your text and click mouse right button, then choose one from the past options you have. You can also use home, so you select your cells you want to copy, then choose the option copy and select the cell where you want to put your text, then click paste in the clipboard. You can also use Ctrl from the keyboard, so advance Ctrl, then drag and drop your cells to the destination cell. It means that the cell where you want to put your text. Okay, same here. If you want to move a cell, you can just do a right click and then cut, then right click in the cell, destination cell, then paste. You can use also the clipboard, and you can just drag and drop the cell without advancing the button counter, and it's okay. Here we're gonna try another tool in Excel. We're gonna write Monday, then we will use, so you're gonna use the fill handle and just drop it down, and you will have succeed of the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and here if you put one in one cell and use the fill handle, you're gonna have 1 1 1 1 in the other cells. But if you put one in the first cell and two in the second, then you select the two cells and use the fill handle, you're gonna have the succeed of the number, which mean 1 2 3 4 5, etc. Same here for 1 5, you're gonna have 9 13 17 21. It is because to move from 1 to 5, we're gonna add 4 to 5, so it will add 4 to 5 to have 9, and 4 to 9 to have 13, 4 to 13 to have 17, etc. Here we have more tools, so like charts or totals, where you can do the sum or the average of the two numbers. Sum is 1 plus 3 equals 4. Average, it means 1 plus 3, etc. Okay, you can have also the spark lines column. It means charts in cells, and that's all. Okay. Okay, here we have the columns. They are designed by alphabetic letters A, B, C, D, etc. from A to X, F, D, and the row they are from 1 to 1,048,576. Okay, when you choose or when you select one cell, there are the name area for the cell content. It will appear in the formula bar. Here to add a new column between, for example, B and C, we must select the column C and do a right click, then select insert, and here we have our column added. Same for the rows. Here every column have width, so to change it you're gonna just do right click and select column width, then you can increase or decrease the width. Same here for the row heights, so you can just do right click again on the number of row and choose row heights, then you have the choice between increase or decrease the height. Okay, every Excel document have one sheet, but you can add as many sheets as you want. Here we add 3 sheets, 2, 3, and 4. You can rename your sheets and change the tab color. Also, you can protect it from modification, or just here you can check or select what you want to allow other users to do, and simply you can delete it. Select our cells and go to tab home, then choose from the font border and choose all. You can modify the cell options as you want. Also for the text, you can make it a bold, underline. You can change the policy and the text size, also the text color. Here you can choose where you want to align your text, in the top, center, the bottom, or in the right or in the left. You can also change the text direction. You have to choose between vertical text or just rotate text up or down. Or you can select format cell alignment to have more options. Okay, here you have to choose between the direction, which direction you want to write from, left to right or from right to left. Those options is for modify the alignment. And here you can wrap the text. When you have a long text, you can just click the button here and you will have your text wrapped. Also, you can merge cells, so select two cells or more and click the button merge, and here you have your cells merged. We have also the ability to change the text format from general to accounting or currency or date, short date, long date. Here we have some examples. The first one is general, second is percentage, the third will be accounting, and we're gonna choose dollar as currency. We're gonna do the same for the two next numbers. Here you have, if you want to add some zeros or deleted, 17, and here we are gonna change the format to accounting and choose the dollar as currency. So here we're gonna try the conditional formatting. So you can highlight some cells, less than or greater than. You're gonna choose any one you want. Here we gonna make just a test. We're gonna highlight the cells where the content is higher than 18 with this format. And here when you change the value of the format will be changed automatically. You can convert or just format your data as table, so all you have to do is just select your cells and choose format as table and choose the format you want. Here also you can modify some cells styles and choose the style you like. Okay, we have also the button insert, delete, and format. Insert for add cells, delete for delete some cells, and format if you want to change the column width or the rows height, etc. Or just auto fit row heights or auto fit column width. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the soon coming days. Thank you for watching.